Hi everybody, it's me Sissy. Today I'm back not with a Dollar Tree haul, but with a Goodwill haul, some thrifted stuff. Dollar Tree right now is kind of concentrating on Valentine's Day, not my favorite holiday. I don't really do a lot for Valentine's Day. I do have one or two DIYs for it. I've already put up a wreath, and then I have one more that's going to be kind of a combo farmhouse. Could be Valentine's Day, but I hope I have that up later this week. But anyway, this is a Goodwill haul. Some thrifted items, some stuff I'm going to do some DIYs on, and a few clothing items. But I do have one Dollar Tree item that I found, and I just love it. It's this cute little chicken or rooster or whatever it is, and they got it in several different colors, but it is absolutely my favorite, so I had to get that chicken. But anyway, the rest of this is from my local Goodwill, and if I can remember the prices, I will tell you. Oh, I got my receipt, so I'll be able to tell you. But anyway, we'll just start with this bag. I found these two little tins. They were Christmas, but I'm going to use them in my farmhouse kitchen and take the Christmas stuff off. And I think I paid 79 cents a piece for these. So I'm going to use those. I might kind of age them a little bit because they are bright and shiny. And then here's a few little clothing items I got. I took my mom with me, and she got this cute little Style & Company t-shirt. And I think, how much was this? This t-shirt was $4. She thought that was really cute, so she got that. And she got, excuse me, I'm getting a little bit of a cold. She found this cute little Alfred Dunner shirt. I can't find anything wrong with it, but she paid $4 for that also. And then I found this top, and I love black and white. I wear a lot of black and white, but this is Alfred Dunner also. But this is cute little asymmetrical black and white top. That's real cute. So we got all those for $4 a piece. And let's see, this other little bag. I got this cute little Christmas decoration. I think I paid 59 cents for this because it was Christmas. But I'm going to change this and make it farmhouse. And I'll do a DIY on it. But I'm going to take all this off and make it where I can use it year round. And then I got this cool chalkboard. I paid 99 cents for it, and I'm just gonna, somebody wrote on it with a paint pen instead of chalk, so I'm just gonna repaint it with chalkboard paint and kind of decorate it, put a little saying on it, and hang it up in my kitchen. So I'll have a DIY coming up with that. And then I found this cool little metal plate holder hanger you can put on the wall and put a plate on it, and I've got one of those white square plates from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use my Cricut and cut some vinyl and make a little saying and hang it on my wall. So, and I'll show you all that when I get done. And then my favorite thing that I found at Goodwill was this cute little cookbook holder. Or you could put your tablet in it, or, you know, whatever. But I thought that was so pretty, and I paid $1.99 for that. So I'm going to do a little work on it. I don't know if I'm going to leave it black, or I might kind of paint it with some silver and make it galvanized looking. I haven't decided yet, but as is, it's gorgeous. But anyway, that's my quick little Goodwill haul. Hopefully Dollar Tree will hurry up and get through with Valentine's Day and put some other stuff up, so I can do some Dollar Tree hauls. I did go to Dollar Tree and I bought my usual stuff, my detergent and cleaning stuff, but I didn't think y'all really needed to see that. But anyway, y'all have a great day. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too, and hopefully I'll see you soon.